Lesson 28. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect continuous. Sense and for mixed. 1. Story 1.
Marco, 39 years old, Serbia. I have just looked out of the window, and I have noticed that it has been raining. My freshly washed clothes that have been drying on the balcony for the past 3 hours are still all wet. I can see lots of tiny raindrops on the grass too. I haven't been out of the house today because I have been feeling a bit under the weather. I've had a nasty headache since midnight, and I've been sneezing, coughing, and blowing my nose since 6 or 7 a.m. I have probably caught a cold from my children, who have been lying in their beds for almost a week. They have had a high fever and a terrible cough as well. I've been looking after them all week, but now I need somebody to look after me. I hope my wife will be home soon. I'm afraid that we may not survive this cold epidemic without her.
Story 2.
Ellie, 19 years old, England. My sister Xenia ran into the house with a sad look on her face 5 minutes ago. I can tell that she has been crying because her eyes are red and puffy. I've asked her 4 or 5 times what has just happened, but she doesn't want to talk about it. I'm pretty sure that she has been arguing with her boyfriend Ren. How do I know? I've just noticed that she isn't wearing the necklace that Ren gave her last week. They have been dating since they met during a silent disco in August 2021, and the necklace was a gift for their first anniversary. I hope that they haven't just broken up. They make a cute couple, and my sister has been smiling from ear to ear almost non-stop since they started going out. I have noticed that they haven't been spending much time together lately, but they both have been busy. At least that was what Xenia told me when I asked her about it a few days ago. I'm confused and worried now.
Story 3.
James, 21 years old, USA. Do I look exhausted? That's because I am. I have been cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom. I know that it doesn't sound that tiring, but I need to sit down. I'm out of breath and my arms and legs feel like jelly. Perhaps I should start going to the gym to work on my stamina. My roommate Greg has recently been suggesting that I should see a doctor first. Maybe he's right, I haven't been feeling too well for the past few weeks. I've been lacking energy, and I've had trouble focusing on anything. I've been reading one book for almost a month, and haven't finished the 5th chapter yet. It usually doesn't take me more than a week to read the whole book, but I haven't been able to concentrate. I have been forgetting about things too. I had a dentist appointment yesterday, but I forgot about it. I probably should start writing things down.
The end of Lesson 28.